You all probably seen people online bragging about making hundreds of thousands of dollars or even millions on Polymarket. And the main question is, how do they do it? And of course, the secret is they are inside trading. Basically, they already know the outcome of their Polymarket trade. And of course, this is not legal in traditional finance, but in the Polymarket and prediction market, it's still kind of a wild west. That's why today I'm going to show you how to use Polymarket trading bots to actually find these insiders, find their wallets, and actually copy these wallets profitably. But before we dig deeper, of course, I need to remind you I'm not a financial advisor. This video is purely for educational and entertainment purposes. So today we are talking about one of the fastest growing Polymarket trading bot called Polygun. As usual, you can find the link in the description to actually follow everything what I'm doing on the screen. And also, if you use my link, you're helping my channel. So first up, let's jump into the main page of Polygun to actually learn about the features, what they're offering, and later we're going to jump into actual dashboard and I will show you how to find the wallets, how to find the profitable wallets, how to copy trade them, and how all the different features actually work. So the main tagline is the truth moves in real time. You can actually start the bot right here, but let's scroll. So first of all, they're offering copy trading features. You can see copy trade top winners, and I think for 99% of people watching this channel, this could be the biggest money maker. Just actually copy insiders and profitable wallets, because they're profitable for two reasons. First up, they could be insiders and they are trading on information they already know. Second, they could be actually really smart and they can actually analyze trades and pick the winners. And of course, for us plebs, both work. Next up, you will see all the in-bot analytics. So basically, you will see your profits, your wins, the signals, entries, exits. So all the information is under the hood. Next up, they have also AI features. So we have AI market predictions. So you can forecast event outcomes with real-time probability modeling. Next up, auto portfolio optimizations. So smart allocation engine continuously rebalances your positions to maximize performance with a minimized risk. Again, this is why we are using these bots. So first of all, of course, speed. Second, these bots will optimize your positions, because if you're trading directly on Polymarkets, it's really basic. You can place a trade and just wait. And with these bots, there's more sauce, secret sauce, because they have AI bots actually optimizing your trades, giving you ideas, and also giving you some market predictions and also market movements. After that, they have cross-market volume alerts, gasless and instant execution, which is really important if you plan to do copy trading and do more trades. Usually gas accumulates really quick, so if you can save money on gas, really great. Next up, we have event-driven price tracking and smart risk management. So you can see all the information on the website, but now let's jump into actual bot, because I think it's going to be more interesting and also more educational for people watching to actually use the bot. So if you want to start the bot, just click start the bot, and this will open on Telegram, because it's a Telegram trading bot. If you've been in crypto for a while, it's pretty similar to crypto trading bots because UI is similar, but again, it's super easy. So once you open the bot, step one is to actually add funds. To do that, you can see we can click on wallet. This will open your different wallets on different chains. We have Polygon, Solana, Ethereum, BNB. So basically right here, you can select whatever currency and whatever chain you want to deposit to your Polygon bot, and just copy this wallet and send money to this wallet you see on the screen. So for this example, I added $12 from Polygon chain because there's a minimum of $10 deposits to actually start the bot running. Let's go back to main menu. So you can see now I have 0 current positions. You can see my balance and even my incredible net worth, $12. So on that, we have the markets. So right here, you can actually click on the markets and see all the different markets like politics, sports, Trump, of course, big player, crypto, finance, geopolitics, top in volume, and also trending. So for example, if you click on trending, this will open all the trending trades. You can also view all of these trades on Polymarket. If you click Polymarket, you can also trade right here in bot. So let's go for one example. For example, will Iran close the Strait of Hormuz by March 31st? Let's click trade. This will open the trade, and right here you can buy yes, you can buy no, or you can do limit orders, basically set the limits for buying and selling. Again, it's really similar to crypto and also really similar to using the actual Polymarket's website. So for this example, let's click yes. This will open how much. For example, let's go 10. You can also enter custom amount, and you can see our order is finished and we just traded that Iran will close the Strait of Hormuz before March 31st. If you jump in back to the start, you can start the bot right here. You have the menu. You can see our net worth right here. You can also see our available positions. Basically, this is the trade I just made like 1 second ago. And if you jump into portfolio, you will see our trade is right here. You can actually close it at any time. You can also click full to see full information about this trade. P&Ls, profits and losses. You can also get P&L cards right here. If you want to share with your community, your friends, you can see right now I'm losing 1%, which is not great. And also, guys, if we're talking about P&Ls and groups, we just launched a free Telegram group where you can see what kind of trades I'm doing. So basically, you can follow my trades, also chat with me, and also I'll be sharing some of my trades on Polymarkets and all the different prediction markets. Next up, we have smart wallets. And this is what I mentioned in the beginning. This is where the money is made by copy trading insiders. It took me quite a while to get here. So if you're completely new, of course, you will not have any wallets of the insiders. To do that, of course, we need to find smart wallets. Smart wallets means wallets of people who are smarter, basically insiders or good traders. Also, they shared few of the links where you can find really great wallets. We have Predictfolio and Polymarket Analytics. So for example, if you jump into the Polymarket Analytics, you can find all the different wallets. You can filter by wins. You can filter also by win rates. You can filter by position. So basically, you can find all the different profitable wallets. Also, you can jump into actual polymarkets.com. You can find the link also in the description. Hover right here, more leaderboard, and you can find all the daily leaders, weekly leaders, monthly leaders. You can actually click on these wallets. You can see this trader managed to make $1.7 million in 1 week, which is pretty crazy. You can see all of his trades. So again, let's copy the wallet. Let's jump in back. So once you found the wallet, again, you can click menu, home. You can start copy trading right here. So copy trade, add copy trade, select the wallet. So we just paste the wallet we found, enter. You can give this wallet a name. So let's do test. Next up, you have to select how do you want to copy trade. So there's few options. So the first one is fixed amount. So when the trader will make a move, you can actually set how much do you want to copy this trade. So for example, if you put $10, if the trader you're copying is, for example, trading millions of dollars, you're still trading $10 by copying him. So it's good if you don't have a big budget. Or you can do percentage. It's going to be what kind of percent do you want to copy of the original trade. So if the trader you're copying is doing $1,000 trade and you have 10% here, your trade is going to be only 10% of that amount. You also have examples under all of these categories. And we also have portfolio weighted. I usually recommend going with fixed because this way you can really manage your budget. For example, if you're trading some whale and there's a percentage, you can do some crazy move and actually blow all of your budget. So let's do fixed. Then you have to select how much. So $1.10 is the minimum. Next up, set up your max copy amount per trade. So right here, you can set up how much max you want to copy the trade. Again, I'm going just for different numbers because I don't have much money in this account. Next up, you can actually add a filter and add a price range at what you want to copy. So if you want to copy 1-to-1, let's do no filter and slippage tolerance. And this is going to be really depending on what kind of trader you're copy trading. If you're copy trading a trader who's entering big trades, it will not make a big difference. If the trader you're copying is going for really niche small trades and putting a big bag, it's going to be moving the price a lot. So this will depend on the trade, on the volume, and also the amount you're trading. So let's go 5% just to be safe. You can go higher. And once I click confirm, you will start copy trading the wallet you selected. Price range, no filters, and slippage 5%. Again, guys, these are just demo settings. I would recommend you to test different settings and see what works for you. And also be extremely careful when you're looking for the insider wallets because some of these traders are just lucky with one trade and they will have a big profit. So usually check out traders with a big history to actually see if they're smart, if they're insider, or are they just lucky. So these are the main features of the bot. Again, really great bot to copy. They have amazing smart wallets. You can find them on all of these links. They have really simple copy trading tool with all the settings you need. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments or you can click right here, help. And last thing I want to mention, also they have incredible Telegram community. So if you jump into their community, they have almost 19,000 members. This chat is extremely active. So if you're interested about the bot, if you want to learn more about the Polymarkets, you can also join their Telegram. But first of all, join my Telegram. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and see you next time.